Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, 35mm reversal film, and I got this image, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop, used filter called Find Edges. Well, actually, I really like this pencil drawing type image. Kind of nice summer breeze type image, I feel like. Well, so I want to use some pastel color, blue, green, and touch orange-ish color, I think. That's my imagination from this pencil drawing type image. Well, I have this original image here, but it's a little bit not quite like my image. So, based on this pencil drawing type image, I'm going to create something interesting, something impressive image from these two images. Now, first of all, I'm going to go, well, check that this blend mode, as always. Go for here, like this overlay. This goes a little light image. That's nice. Pin light, yeah, this is pretty good too. But usually I use this luminosity image. You see now, this real subtle greenish, yellow, blue type image. That's what I like. That's what I expected. Well, I have this image, so I'm gonna make group, then duplicate this group, then flatten this image. Now, this is too thin color-wise, so I'm gonna duplicate this layer again. Then one of the top layer, I'm gonna change blend mode, normal to linear burn is darker than multiply, but pencil drawing type image is more darkened, so multiply it touch soft image, I think. Yeah, I decide to multiply for this, then I'm gonna merge down to get this image fixed. Alright, now this is the base image I'm gonna use. Then maybe though let me turn it off this, and well, take this group out, these two images, get out of this group, and just delete this group. We don't need this anymore, and I'm gonna bring back to normal blend mode for this pencil drawing type image, then move this pencil drawing type image, go up. Then just turn it off to keep it now. Change all the names first. Rename. Alright, now we got the original image layer and luminosity effect layer, and then pencil drawing type image layer. Now, I'm going to duplicate this original image. Just one for turn it off to keep it. Then this image, I'm going to use real hue, saturation, brightness. Okay, a little bit saturation up. Not a little bit, a lot. Then brightness, lighten up. Goes pastel color. Then I don't know if I need to change the hue. Let me see, it's 50% now. No, I don't have to touch this hue. This is fine. Otherwise, no, I don't like that. Yeah, this is fine. No touch. Okay, about saturation up. 85, pretty much. Yeah, about 85. Now brightness is, yeah, about 60. Maybe touch 57. Alright, now changed. Let me compare with the original before and after. Now this one. Okay, this is not real original. That's saturation up. Okay, I have this pencil drawing type image already. Well, now I'm gonna make mask. Then reveal this mask with this chalk texture, bonobo chalk. This. Let me change the brush. Technical pencil. Let me see this texture. Let me try this. Okay, change back to bonobo chalk. Okay, I want to add layer for color. Then I'm going to change blend mode to color. Then well, I guess pretty interesting. I add color layer, then change blend mode colors, so shadow colors, and pretty much done for this. Maybe I want to see color burn effect. This is a pencil drawing type. Make it a little bit more darker, sharper image. Then also I may, let me see, compare the color and layer on top. Then use the evolve and pick the white. Well, this is a sort of mask. It's not actual mask, just paint the white border on this one layer. So just compare. Let's see, and one more layer for color. Now again change to bonobo chalk to add some pastel. Well, either way, add white border and add some orange color, real shadow, white border with or without. Either way, I like no border, just the way it is. Orange is, I don't need this orange, huh? Well, this is it. Yep. I guess that's it for today, and kind of pastel illustration image. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I really appreciate for you guys' support. I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for you, for your creative work. Well, I got this pastel image from, actually base image. This is the first original image, then I changed the color, hue, saturation up to this image. Then I got the luminosity effect without this colors, almost base, kind of bluer green color. And then I made mask to see that the original saturated image. Then I add color, some emphasize green and blue on shadow side, and well, I add color, but I don't think I need. And this white border type image as well. Well, this is it. Thank you again, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.